Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of an open box from Best Buy Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 512GB version. This is the weirdest open box I've ever seen. And see, there's really no box, so to speak, for the phone itself. And then they gave me this USB-C, the USB-C cable, 9 foot, which is huge, versus Best Buy Essential. Yeah. So I mean, that is what we got this time. This is like the worst open boxing of an open box I've ever seen. You see this is excellent shape as well, which is again weird. All right, so getting to the phone itself. Of course, excellent just means the phone itself is in really good shape. So I think it is in really good shape. It's just really weird how there's no actual box with it. I don't see any scratching at all. Maybe one little tiny scratch there. Again, the side looks good from at least from what I can see. Let's get a bit more light on here. So yeah, this does look good shape. A little bit of a scratch here, but nothing major. Nothing on the side, no scratching. Really nothing up top either or on the side. It does have the S Pen as well, so that is of course good. And then the back looks good as well. Yeah, so I mean, this is in really good shape. But of course, there's no paperwork with it. There's no SIM card ejector with it. And again, you get this USB-C, the USB-C 9 foot cable instead of an actual Samsung one. This is their Best Buy Essential one. So very weird unboxing. But yeah, weirdest unboxing I've ever done, I would say. But I mean, this was still almost 880 bucks or so for this one, which isn't terrible, I guess, for being from a store and being a 512GB version. Not the best pricing, not the worst either. Hopefully when I turn this thing on, it'll be all good. All right, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a good one. Awesome.